5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go right to right on top and do a C prep. 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna give her a quick ride on 1. So I'm gonna be going over the head. 1. I'm gonna be stepping to the side on 2. Now guys, we're gonna pike under both hands on 3. Half a pike. So now on 5, I'm gonna start bringing the hands over. 5. The left hand is over here towards my left, and the right hand's gonna touch down on my left shoulder on 6. I'm gonna drop it and catch it on the other side, 7, as I turn to the right. So now this left hand is gonna be coming over to the right as I start turning her on 1. I'm gonna follow her as I check her forward on 2. We're both gonna replace on 3. So now both hands are gonna be going over the head on 5. I'm gonna be bringing her forward on 6. Now I'm gonna start turning her to the right on 7 as I turn with her. 7. So now both arms are going over my head on 1. 1, we're keeping them palm up as we go over the head. 2, 3. 2, 3, into a back charge. 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to be giving her a copa on 1. 1. So what's going to be happening is my left hand is going to be dropping onto my right wrist. So it's really going to be catching at the bottom as guys do a reverse right on 2, 3. I'm going to follow her with a salsa step as my right elbow bumps up her hand. 5, 6, 7. So here I'm just going to be giving her a misdirection. I lead her forward on 1. Left elbow up as I offset her on 2, 3. I'm going to bring the right hand to the neck as I follow her on 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3. Do a prep. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do only one turn. 1, 2, 3. And then the back part of the basic on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do half rotation to the right and check forward. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do half rotation to the left on 5, forward on 6. Start turning to the right on 7. Now we're going to continue turning to the right on 1, then turn 2, 3. Back for the basic. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a couple stop. 1 in place. 2, 3. Backward basic. 5, 6, 7. Facing forward. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.